Now I'm going to tell you the basic integration formulas. Okay, if you know this, at least if you know this 6 formulas, then attending a problem in Fourier series is very easy. Okay, simple formulas only you are going to learn. That is for attending a problem. Okay, so integration of c into dx. What is integration of c into dx? It is cx. That's all. Okay, and then what is the next one? What is integration of e power ax into dx? It is e power ax by a. Okay, and then what is integration of x power n? Integration of x power n into dx is what? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And then what? Integration of sin ax. What is integration of sin ax into dx? It is minus cos ax by a. And then what is next? Integration of cos ax into dx. What is that? It is sin ax by a. Okay, so if you know this 5 formula, then it is very easy. Okay, and then one more thing you have to learn, that is Bernoulli formula. Okay, but what is Bernoulli formula? This is an extension of integration by parts formula. That's all. Okay, you learned already integration by parts formula. It is an extension. That's all. Okay, what is that? Integration of u dv. That is integral u dv equal to uv minus u dash v1 plus u double dash v2 minus u triple dash v3 and so on. Okay, and then here we are going to use one term. Okay, if you are having integration, then easily you can find what is u and what is dv. Easily you can find. Okay, but you may get a simple confusion, which term is going to be u. For that one you have to use this isolate keyword. Okay, isolate. Using this keyword, easily you can identify the term u from the given integration. Okay, so what is this I? This I means it is the inverse term. Okay, I means inverse term. If you are seeing any term like this, okay, if you are seeing any sine inverse x and then cos inverse x like that, if you are seeing any term, then that should be considered as u. Okay, and then next is what? It is logarithmic term. Okay, if you are seeing anything like log x like that, you have to go with that one. Okay, that should be only considered as u. And the next is third one is a. This a, what is that a? It is algebraic term. Okay, what is that a? Algebraic term. If you are having any x or x square or x plus 2 or x plus 2 the whole cube, if you are seeing anything like that, algebraic terms if you are seeing, means that should be considered as u. And if you are not having inverse term and not having arithmetic term and you are not having algebraic term, then you have to go with the t. What is the t? Nothing but it's a trigonometric term. If you are having sin x or cos x or tan x, you have to go with that one. Okay, that's all. And if you are not having that too also, then last you have to give the chance to e. That is, the letter e represents what? It's an exponential term. That is e power x or e power 2x like that. If you are having in the sense, that should be considered as u. Okay, in this order only. Priority should be given like this. Okay, priority should be given like this. Okay, in this way only I have to select the term u, and then after selecting that u, the rest of the term should be considered as dv. From that dv, okay, if you are having d, when you are integrating that dv, you will get what? V. Okay, if you know v, and then you can easily find v1, v2, v3, because successive integration of v is going to give v1, v2, v3. Okay, successive integration of v is going to give v1, and then integration of v1 will give v2, integration of v2 will give v3. Okay, that's all. Like that, u dash, u double dash and u triple dash and all, what? It is a successive differentiation. Okay, if you know u, then if you are differentiating once, that will be u dash. If you are differentiating that u dash, you will get u double dash. Okay, and one more thing you have to see when you are applying Bernoulli formula is, you should have only finite number of derivatives. Okay, if you are having only finite number of derivatives, for that problems alone you have to use Bernoulli formula. Finite number of derivatives means what? At some stage, okay, this one, after selecting the u term, if you are keep on differentiating in the sense, somewhere it should get 0. Okay, that is called finite derivative. Okay, at least a 4th time, 5th time, 5 times if you are differentiating, or n times if you are differentiating, means there it should get 0. Okay, that is called finite differentiation. For that type of problem only you have to use Bernoulli formula. If you learned this 6 things, okay, if you learned that 5 formula and with this Bernoulli, then attending a problem in Fourier series is very easy. Okay, you just learn this one. I'll get you with the problem in Fourier series.